Did you know a bomb killed one of the most important civil rights leaders in American history, and almost nobody knows his name? Harry T. Moore spent more than a decade organizing across Florida for the NAACP. He registered over 100,000 black voters. He built one of the strongest civil rights networks in the entire Deep South. He was doing this years before the movement had a face most people recognize today. On Christmas night, 1951, someone planted a bomb beneath the floorboards of his home in Mims, Florida. The explosion killed him. His wife Harriet died from her injuries days later. The FBI investigated for years. J. Edgar Hoover was personally briefed. Documents declassified later showed the Bureau had informants who knew about the plot in advance. No one was ever charged. Harry T. Moore is sometimes called the first martyr of the modern civil rights movement. He died before the marches, before the speeches, before the cameras arrived. The bomb silenced him. History finished the job. Follow for the history they skipped.